solve for x. Solve for x. We have actually 4 terms here, 2 terms on each side. We have a fraction involved. How can I reduce the fraction? How can I eliminate the fraction? Define the LCD. So I'm going to look at 3. I'm going to look at 4, all of them together. I'm going to look at 12 and 2 and ask myself, what is the LCD among everything? Let's write it down here, LCD, 12. Okay, so the method is to multiply each term by LCD. Now, this really is 12 over 1. So I have 4 terms here. I have 12 over 1 here times 2/3. Okay, we multiply each term by the LCD. Plus, again, we multiply the second term by 12 over 1. Remember why we're doing this. We do this to eliminate the fractions. So if I know I'm multiplying each term by LCD to eliminate the fraction, remember why we're doing this. We're multiplying each term by LCD here to reduce fraction, to eliminate fraction. So what would be my next step here? Reduce or simplify. So the reason I multiply them by LCD here was to reduce fractions. So once I write them like this, you just reduce them. But it's 12 over 3. So that would be 1. That would be 4, right? 4. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So you see how I eliminate the fraction altogether? Before I had 2/3. Now I have only 8. I get 3x because I have an x here. Wouldn't it be easier to deal with the whole number than those fractions that we had before, like here? 12 eliminates 12. 12 over 12 is 1. So it would be just simply 5, 6x. Here we have it. See, this equation here is exactly the same as the equation that we had originally, except we don't have any fraction there. So every time you see a fraction and it says solve for x or any variable, the first step would be to find the LCD among everything and multiply each term by LCD and reduce and get it into this form. This is really easy now. We can easily combine like terms. What would be the next step here? So in other words, we subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. And by doing that, we get 8 equal to 5 plus, then we have 6x minus 3x, that would be 3x. That's how you can combine x and move all the x to one side of the equation. What would be the next step? We have to subtract what now? Right, so we divide both sides by a coefficient of x, which is 3, so we get x equal to 1. Again, we can check our answer easily by substituting for each x1 and see if the right side of the equation would be equal to the left side of the equation.